When was the last time you got a handmade birthday card? Not a store-bought one, not a text message with a cake emoji, an actual someone sat down and thought about you card. It hits a little different, doesn't it? I'm Shelley, your card making cheerleader, and I make handmade birthday cards because I believe the people in my life deserve more than a generic card from off the shelf. A handmade card says, I thought about you specifically. It says, you're worth my time. Today, I want to tell you about a really fun way to build yourself a stash of gorgeous birthday cards so that you'll always have one ready when you need. It's called the Birthday Cardmaking Palooza, and I want to answer a few questions you might have about it. 1. Am I skilled enough? Am I too experienced? Maybe you're wondering, is this something for someone like me? Am I experienced enough? Or am I too experienced for this? Now, the answer to both of those questions is absolutely not. The Palooza is a crafting party. You work at your own pace with your own supplies and your own craft room. Whether you've been paper crafting for 20 years or you're still figuring out your trimmer, there's a seat at this table for you. And my teaching style? It's clear, step by step, and encouraging. No pressure, no perfection, just creativity and a really good time. Next question. Is it an all-day thing? I am so busy. 4 to 5 hours does sound like a lot. I know, I get it. Life is busy. But here's what I want you to think about. You know that panic feeling you get when it's someone's birthday and you have nothing? You're scrambling to look in the shops and find something, or worse, you send a text and then you feel really guilty about it. Or the kids surface a birthday party invite from the bottom of their bag and it's tomorrow. The Palooza is your solution to all of that. In one focused, fun afternoon, you'll walk away with 6 to 8 beautiful handmade birthday cards. You'll spend that time once, and the future you has a gorgeous stash ready to go whenever life throws a birthday at you. Think of it as an investment, not a cost. So what if I can't make it live? Now, real talk, the live experience is magic. There's nothing quite like that feeling of the chat flying, everyone sharing what they've made, cheering each other on. That energy is something else. But we all know life happens, and that's why you get the full replay access. Watch it when you can. Pause, rewind, or craft along on Sunday. The instructions are written out in full, and they're yours to keep. So, is it worth the cost? Let's be straightforward about this. The early bird price is $39 US until March 15th. Now, after that, it's $45. Here's what you're getting. A live, interactive, 4 to 5 hour session with me, full written instructions for every single card, replay access, a supply list sent ahead of time so that you're ready to go, and 6 to 8 cards that you can send to people that you love. You'll spend more than that on cards in a boutique shop, and these ones don't even have your heart built into them. So here's what I know about people who come to the Palooza. You love making things with your hands. You love giving something personal. And sometimes you just need someone to say, come on, pull up a chair. You belong here. Consider this as me saying that to you. The Birthday Cardmaking Palooza is Saturday, March 28th, this year, 2026, at noon Pacific time. The link is in the description down below. Come make some cards with me. I'd love to have you there. And if you've got crafty friends who could use a fun afternoon, send this to them. The more the merrier. I'll see you at the Palooza. Bye for now.